Hey guys, Dodge here, and I'm back with more tips on how you can improve your audio quality. Now, if you've never heard of a plosive, put your hand in front of your mouth, and when you say the following words, you'll feel a puff of air on your hand. Say the words prepare, tattered, sure. That puff of air you're feeling can get picked up on your recordings. I'm going to say them without a pop filter. Prepare, tattered, sure. And if you're still talking really close to the mic, it's probably going to sound like prepare, tattered, sure. Now I'm going to say those same words while using a pop filter. Prepare, tattered, sure. If you're narrating a story, you want the listener to be able to hear what you're saying as clearly as possible. Using a pop filter helps to reduce plosives, but if you're not able to purchase one, angling the mic away from your mouth can help. Just make sure the mic isn't angled too far away as to affect your audio. If you're using a pop filter but you're still getting plosives in your audio, try angling the mic away from your mouth or putting more distance between your mouth and the mic. So give that a shot. Leave me a like, leave me a comment, and I will be back soon with more tips on how you can improve your audio.